How many gaming headsets do you own? Do you have one specifically for your gaming console, another one for your gaming PC, and then another one that you kind of use between your mobile phone and your console? Well, what if I told you you could take all three of those headsets and then just put them into one? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the brand new Turtle Beach Stealth 700s. And I say brand new because there are different iterations of the Stealth 700s, but this is the latest model coming out of Turtle Beach. So again, huge thanks to Turtle Beach for sending this our way and trusting us to take a look at it for all of you. First up, let's look at the makeup of this headset. And one thing that really screams out to me is the color. The color scheme on other Turtle Beach Stealth models have generally been black with a tinge of green, specifically for Xbox models. But this has this kind of brassy, sandy kind of metallic look going all the way around, which is really nice. It's not too stark, but it is different. You have this very comfortable headband that can go atop your head for hours. And if it's anything like the previous model's Stealth 700s have been, this is going to be just as good. Of course, you can adjust these to whatever size noggin that you might have, but more impressively, the second that I put this on, it immediately cancels out the outside noise, even while it's turned off. And if you do wear glasses, don't fret, you can place glasses in here super comfortably. The ear cuffs themselves have this beautiful squishy foam that just melts into the side of your head, but it doesn't press. So again, it's going to be super comfortable for hours on end. And with regards to the microphone, you actually have three positions. You can either have it closer to your mouth, you can have it farther away from your mouth, or you can flip it up and it's just hidden and it just gets lost into the design of the left ear cuff. Pretty nifty. You have a new AI-powered mic for noise reduction. So if something is happening in the outside world, the other people that you're playing games with, or if you're streaming, the likelihood of them hearing it is far less. And on the backside here, you have all the audio controls that you would ever need. On and off switch, the plug for the USB Type-C, so you can charge this, and it does come with a USB Type-C cable. Volume rockers for both party chat audio as well as game audio. And then the EQ button. So you can change the EQ if you want a little bit more bass or a little less bass, all depending on the individual. And on the right side, you have a few more controls. Your Bluetooth pairing button, your multifunction button, your Bluetooth audio rocker, and lastly, your crossplay. This is where the magic happens. Previously, whenever you use these wireless headphones with your computer and your console, you had to take the USB dongle out of the computer, plug it into the console, and vice versa. But with these brand new Stealth 700s, you actually get two USB dongles, and on the headset themselves, all you need to do is click the crossplay button and it automatically switches between the two devices. It just seems so simple and like low-hanging fruit, but honestly, this is the first iteration of crossplay or this kind of methodology that I've seen in the market. And the fact that they're just USB dongles, you can use them on pretty much any device that accepts USBs. So a computer and a console and a console, a computer and another computer. Sky's the limit. And yeah, because Bluetooth is integrated, you can feasibly pull up your favorite podcast or your favorite YouTube channel and listen to your audio while playing your favorite game on a completely different device. Or take that work call when you're supposed to be working. I won't tell. So if you're anything like I was and you're using one headset for all of your devices, but you had to unplug or repair all of that stuff, it gets really cumbersome. Check out the Stealth 700s from Turtle Beach. You will not be disappointed. And if you have any other questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. Not only are we on this platform, but you can check us out over on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Later.